honest with you, come on, you gotta have a side pocket. I mean, I understand the part that this thing is for like a light flight or something like that, but I don't think it will work on anyone that flies more than an hour or two. Because I mean, yeah, it's I could use something here, and there's a pocket here. Wait, it's here. So there's a pocket here, but this goes away if you fill it up. It literally goes inside. It gives you quick access to inside, even though it's its own pocket. I don't know how to explain. Anyway, this could have been outside.